fun to learn with DJ. Words with short sounds. Fat, cap, hat, pad, map, sad, ban, pat, pan, dad, wad, pug, fox, dam, cap, rug, mat, gas, lax, sat. Good job! Always practice reading, okay? See you next time. Happy learning!